Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of Ice Daily, where we're going to be talking about everything ice cream. So to be completely transparent, I know nothing about ice cream whatsoever. All I know is what tastes good and what doesn't taste good, and that's about it. So we've got 3 ice creams that we're going to be trying out and seeing which one tastes the best. So the first one is double salted caramel. So that's a Magnum ice cream. Then we got the Haagen-Dazs salted caramel. And next we have Carte D'Or, I think that's how you pronounce it, another salted caramel. So cool, blindfold test. Let's take off my glasses. I've got my trusty bag here. Okay, one thing at a time. Put my blindfold on. Cool. Then I'm going to put all of these into a bag to hopefully make this as random as possible. So we have our 3 ice creams in the bag. Give it a little shake. Okay. And now we're going to do the taste test. So I'll start with this one first. So put it in the middle, and somewhere here I've got a spoon. Okay, cool. Use my spoon. Then we're going to open this. So even though this is blindfolded, I guess by the size or shape of the tub, I kind of know this is the Carte D'Or. So we're trying out here, but let's go in. Let's see if we can taste it. See what it's saying. Kind of like that. I think there's some like cookie, biscuity, shortcakey sprinkle thing on the top. Those biscuity things, they're not like very rich, but you know, it's a nice taste. It's kind of light, very light ice cream. Like I could eat like quite a lot of this and not feel full. Overall, it's a pleasant ice cream. Doesn't taste very rich. The flavors aren't very overpowering, but it's pleasant. So we'll put that to one side. And then reach into my bag for the second ice cream. Okay. So just remove this thing. Okay, put that over here. Actually, let me try to smell it. I don't smell much. I don't know if you guys really smell stuff when you smell ice cream, but I don't really smell much. Let's see how it tastes. This is very creamy. There's a lot more flavor than the last one. I'm guessing this is the Haagen-Dazs, just by like the flavor. This is nice. It's again, ooh, I think I just hit a bit of the caramel. Really gooey, and that was tasty. Let me see if I can get some more of that. There's more going on here with the flavor. I'm a fan. Again, it's still a bit like light. It's not like overly rich ice cream. but there's some, I'm biting into something. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's pralines, but I don't know. What's really nice about this one, as you eat into it, you get like pockets of like just ice cream, and then you get hit with like that gooey, caramelly richness, that sweety taste. That is really good. Probably tell how much I like this one by how many bites I took of it compared to the last one. Okay, and let's go over to the last one. In my bag, I couldn't smell the last one. Let me see if I can smell this one. I can smell something. Well, I could be off the mark, but it smells like dark chocolate or cocoa-y. Maybe I'm completely wrong, but it smells chocolate. Okay, is there a lid here or something? Or oh no. Oh, there's a top. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. What does it mean? Is there anything on the spoon hole? Obviously not. I mean, I'm gonna have to do this and just guide everything up into my mouth. Now I understand why I was smelling chocolate. I think this is the Magnum one. The chocolate is okay. I'm not a fan of this one at all. No. A chocolate, I don't think it's dark chocolate, could be wrong, but there's a deep flavor in them which I can appreciate. It tastes closer to me anyway to a dark chocolate more than like a standard milk chocolate. I guess chocolate might be a touch rich, but the ice cream itself, it's just a lot going on in there. I don't taste. Just if I could, I don't know. It's just trying to find the right words to describe what it tastes. It just tastes light, fluffy, but nothing that stands out in there. So in order of 1 to 3, this one definitely has to come third. This one's coming second. So third, second, and first. Alright, so ice cream's everywhere. So in first place was the Haagen-Dazs salted caramel. Second place is the Carte D'Or sea salted caramel. And last but not least, we have the double salted caramel. Yeah, I as you can tell, this perhaps wasn't my favorite. Alright guys, see you guys in the next episode, and yeah, thanks for watching.